Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning classes provided by Sandaka Academy. My name is Rajesh De Cruz. Today I am going to teach you Geography Chapter 1. This is my second lecture. First lecture already I have given you. So today we will talk about the topic development of natural resources. Children, you know the natural resources is not distributed everywhere at the same quantity. The distribution of natural resources depends upon some of the regions. So let us see the first regions. The first region is technological knowledge of the people of that region. Technological knowledge, that means the people skill, talent, knowledge is very important for the development of the natural resources. If the people are not talented, not skillful, the natural resources which are available at that places cannot be utilized, cannot be used, and it cannot be developed. Whatever it is there and whatever quantity is there, it will be the same and it will be wasted. The second region is talking about the economical development of that region. Economical development, talking the people are how much available of regarding the money. If people's economical development is good, people have the knowledge of such things to utilize, they have the money to waste, to use the natural resources, it will be more beneficial. The next talking about the cost involved in the exploitation and developing these resources. The availability of good transports and network. Children, the cost, the natural resources is how cost it is. Whether it is the very high cost or it is the very low cost. Network of transports and the roads, these all are very important. If the network of roads and transports is not good, the natural resources which are utilized, which are available, it cannot be useful because it will be very costlier to carry the resources from one place to another. The next reason is talking about the political supports of the government. That means the policies of the government. Government policies is also very important. If government doesn't support to the industrialists, the natural resources will be not utilized. That means the natural industries will be not established at that places. So natural resources cannot be utilized. So government has certain facilities to be given. Government has to give certain facilities like power supply, certain taxes regarding the carriages, wages, etc. If these all are lower and beneficial for the industries, then the industries can be established and the natural resources can be utilized. Similarly, now we will talk about the conservation of resources. Conservation of resources. All resources should be used wisely. Not only do we need to assess resources, but we should also preserve them, protect them, and avoid wastage. Children, we know the natural resources have got limitations. Some are renewable, some are non-renewable. The non-renewable resources, if it is not used wisely, it will get end. The renewable resources, that also has to be used wisely. If you don't use wisely, it will be wasted, and to get renewed, to get regenerated or to get reproduced, it gets time. There is a certain periods to be generated, recycled and renewed. So it should be preserved, it should be protected, it should be saved from the wastage. That is why conversion of resources is very useful. Talking about the wise the wise use of resources and protecting it from the damage is called conservation of resources. If the resources are conserved, it will be used in the future and the future generations cannot starve. Otherwise, it will get end and we as well as the future generations are to go on difficulties. So children, talking about some of the resources are already have been extinct, some are going to be extincted. So it is very much important to take care of the resources which is available and to use wisely and protect them, and we should save it from the damage so that the coming generation will not suffer. So this is the certain topics I wanted to tell you. And next whatever topics are left we will discuss in the next classes. For today's whatever I taught you, let's have some of the homework. Okay children, these are the certain questions that you have to write in the homework, and we will meet you tomorrow for the next lecture. Children, if you like my lecture, please do subscribe it and share it. Thank you children, all the best.